Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing and it's a little bit different. I'm doing it in 4K, so this will be my first 4K video. But before I do the unboxing, I thought what I'd do, I'll show you a 4K picture that I printed out of my printer to see if it's a nice quality. So let me know, so I need to know. So put your comments in the bottom if you think 4K is the way to go, or should I just go back to 1080? It'd be interesting to find out. See that? I'll bring it in right close, so I'm at the picture. I think it's about now. I'll hold it as still as I can, and that's done. So that's as is Parliament. As you can see now, that's the picture I downloaded. It actually looks a bit better than that. On the actual photo, it looks a bit better than that one on there, I think, personally. I don't know if that's the monitor, I wouldn't have thought so, or whether it's just how it is, and the printer's actually improved the colour. So, like I said, I'd like to know your views before I before I do this unboxing, to see whether I should stay doing 4K. People are buying 4K TVs, not a lot of content out there for 4K at the moment. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to start doing it, as my camera can do 4K. So there you go. So with that, shall we get on with the unboxing? So as you probably know in the description, it's for my feet. I have electric desks, rising desks here, and I'm doing a lot more standing now. I find it a lot easier now to stand up. And I thought, well, I did see this on Amazon when I was looking at my electric desk, which I love, by the way. I wasn't sure how much I'd be using it, but I use it quite a lot. Like now, I've got it up, as you can see. I've had it up for a few hours since I've been home, and I thought, yeah, I'm using it all the time, so yeah, it's good. I don't use the A number, which is, it tells you after so long, you can set it for a certain time how long before it will tell you to stand up. But I use it all the time, so I'm going to get this out now and I'll shut up. Here we go. It wouldn't be much of an unboxing really, but I thought it was a good opportunity. Like I said, I'm doing it in 4K, so bigger than I thought. See that? Like I say, it's to go on your feet. It's from the same company who makes this computer desk. They actually didn't make this bit. I already had this bit. It only comes with that and the desk and all the other electric bits. Anyway, I'll stick links in there for you to buy. So I'll get this out and I'll tell you what I think of it. And is it worth the money? Because I don't really know. I'm hoping it is. It's had some good reviews. So there it is. See that? It says FlexiSpot on this side, or FlexiSpot, not Sport. See that? FlexiSpot. Well, I'm assuming that's the bottom. I would have thought so. Nice quality material. Doesn't feel cheap. I'll stick it on the floor. Where it's going to go. That there, I think. The only concern I've had, or I have myself, is how do I go about when I'm using my chair? You know, can I put it on top of it, or just keep moving it out of the way? And I think I'm going to have to keep moving it out of the way, which probably ain't going to cause too much problems. But anyway, I'll move the camera down. You can see it on my feet. So it says you can wear shoes or slippers. Let's move it out. I'm making it dirty because I've got socks on. My socks have obviously picked up some dirt. So, but I think, it feels really comfortable. It feels like you're walking on a hard pillar or a hard bit of foam that's not too hard, but it's just right, you know. So it's cushioning your feet, but also supporting your feet at the same time. So, I'm trying to think, you know, what else it feels like a memory foam, but I think memory foam's quite soft, probably too soft. So, yeah, I think it's going to be okay. So obviously, I've got to give it a bit of time. So obviously, I'll try and do a follow-up video. Obviously you're going to pick up a lot of fluff and all by the looks of it. So, like I say, time will tell. First impressions are very good. So it cost me just under £40, which I thought was quite a lot of money for something like this, but you know, you've got to think about your health benefits and, you know, the pain on your feet, so cushions your feet, which is a good thing, I think. Whether it's going to be worth that money, only time will tell. So like I said earlier, this is like a 2-bit video. The first bit is I'm recording 4K, and I hope the quality is really good. Obviously when I do my editing I will see it myself, and I hope you approve of the 4K, but if you don't like it, let me know. I need to know. I need your feedback to tell me whether I should stay 4K or not. And as for the unboxing of the FlexiSpot, do I think it's worth it? Like I said, it depends. Depends, you know, if you're going to do a lot of standing in front of a computer like I do. I don't know. Only time will tell. So anyway, I'll shut up now because I'm starting to waffle on. So if you have any comments, please post them below. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.